Tristan. Tristan, come on.
You have my. Sorry, you have my lighter.
No. You have Mom's. Here.
Yes, that too. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I got it.
There is no.
Take a zinger. Take the
No
zinger.
dog. But then again, I don't need very many.
Here, I want your white one. Yeah, maybe let me put the camera in the left hand. Here. I got the dogs out.
Do you ever figure out which way it actually runs?
No. We should do 4 at once.
Yeah, pick up the wrappers.
No, I got my toe in the shot. Damn. I can't be selling those. I can't be showing those for free. Get it?
Here, Kevin.
What?
He said that's all we get. I swear, bro, it goes like this.
Here. Putting them in your pocket. So if you burn, you go out with a bang.
This way will know. You have the lighter?
No, you have it.
Bro,
You didn't give me it.
my pocket's so full. Now where'd it go? I literally dead-ass dropped it. If you don't have it.
Bro, we still have another one.
Bro,
You.
I got it. Fucking
Here, let me put it in the.
mosquito.
Burned a mosquito.
I'm lighting that one. Holy shit. I went right over the
Look at the smoke. Alright, next one. I'm lighting next one. Look at the smoke
Hell
from the... What do you mean, hell nah?
You're lighting it?
Yeah. Hold on. You could hear the echo.
See, I wish they would pop at the end.
What if we just leave the lighter with it?
No. You ain't lighting this one?
You are.
I'm lighting it.
Yeah. Pour some alcohol on. So it burns.
Right.
Did you hear that drop over there? Think like a piece of it fell. Or we hit a bird. One of these times we're gonna hit a bird, then it's gonna burn.
Hit a fucking bird.
Look at all the marks on the table.
Oh, yeah.
You drank some more of that beer in there.
Alright, man. Just gonna leave this shit.
If I would have like decided to lay down there,
We got 2 left. You have another pack.
no, I put them all in your. Actually, yeah, I have another pack. I put them all in your
Just leave this
pockets.
shit here.
I guess it hits it. I thought that was coming for me. Tristan, I thought that was coming for me.
Did you hear it?
Let's do triple.
I only have one.
Oh.
Should we? Or just do them single?
Triple. Let's do.
Triple?
Actually, no. Let us do two. Let's do one more. Combined. So like that and then. Okay.
I'm grabbing these.
All right, light it.
We maybe should have did fucking quad.
Hear them hit.
Yeah. You didn't hear the other one though?
Both of them went like do the rest all together. No, maybe like 3. Or should let us do singles now?
Yeah.
Later, and then I'm running. Hey, pick up that wrapper. No, don't put it there. Whatever. I'm going to stand here.
No, I wouldn't.
I'm going to stand like right here. Hey.
I'm still here.
Hey, don't throw that.
Sending this bitch to the moon. Are we doing 2?
2.
Or just 1? We only have 1 left.
And just 1.
Just 1.
I'll put some zones on there. I'll place it in this.
Should we throw a zone on it? A dirty one? Here. It's moist though. I don't know if it'll.
Yeah, put it on there.
Should be.
Yeah. We're probably gonna get demonetized for this.
Fuck. We're fucked.
This is probably gonna get demonetized.
Oh, it's definitely. Did you hear that little crack at the end? I think It
it's.
didn't even go.
What? You are failed soldier, mate. You could have went to space, but you decided not to. I think it's because we need like a fresh one.
It was a fresh one. No, a zone?
No, like a.
I don't know if I want to sacrifice it. Hold on. I'll pick one, because I know which one.
Pick one that you don't like.
I think I already fucking did it. Fuck it.
Put it on. Put the lid on.
Throw it in.
You are going to space, soldier. Da, da, da.
Here we go.
Whoa! That went.
Fucking
That
way.
popped.
It didn't.
Damn it. It looks. Is it burnt?
I don't know.
My little pop.
I wouldn't put it in my lip. But
If it will focus.
you can try again. Fuck it.
My little soda pop. We can do.
Hey,
Oh, mint.
Raining fireworks.
Now let's do 3.
Yeah, and the zone is like on us to use. Maybe
We get.
I would back up.
Hey, how about we all put connect those all together and fire them up?
I don't know what the hell this is.
Oh, that's a
I'm
big
pretty
one.
sure you put this just flat.
Ooh. Let's just save this for later.
No, we're not doing this till later.
God. Fine, nighttime.
When it's nighttime, we can do that.
Leave it right there. Okay, now connect them. I would run.
Run!
Yeah, I wouldn't want
Stay right there.
Should we do 4? Should we do 4 and just say fuck it or no? No, probably not.
I hope that one actually goes up into space. Hey, that unopened pack right there. Bro. Bro.
Alright, we need to keep them.
Hey, look at this one.
These.
Look at this one. This one's still on.
Okay, so there's just no launching. So.
Back.
Oh, hell no. Hey, did you? I heard that fucking. I was like, hell no.
It's still on fire. Stomp it out.
I know. Alright. We're sending one towards the house.
Yep.
No.
Hey.
Hey, girl.
Hey, back up.
Alright, let's do normal ones. Bro. Did I drop it?
Probably. Look at this.
Wait.
Ha.
Yeah, no, I don't have it. Bro, you have to have it.
No, I don't. I wasn't. Hey, get off of me. You breathe heavily.
Yeah, lost my lighter.
Do you know to do that?
Hey, stay there.
Why?
Yeah, that might stay over there.
We don't have my lighter.
You dropped it like over there, I think. I don't have it.
Oh, it's in my back pocket. Found it. All right. you probably have another one. What? Watch that fucking.
Stay.
You gotta watch eyes on him. Because I don't trust him anymore.
Stop screaming!
He can scream. He's 4, man.
Here,
No.
another pack.
No. Watch out.
Run. go up there.
What's the fault, Mom? There's a fault. And what's the fault? There's a fault.
Do this tire pack.
Do the entire fucking pack. You dare me?
What?
You dare me?
To do what?
The entire fucking pack.
The rest of that one, yeah.
No, well, there's 3. Kevin, I know Kevin went inside to get fucking more.
Here.
Watch this.
Here, I'll put these under.
Keep these on the pack.
Ew!
I literally was just like, what the hell was that?
I wouldn't know what that happened. Is it that floating?
Yeah, so.
Oh!
You're actually doing me a favor because I just.
Here, take this one.
I swear to God.
You're doing us a favor because it's more content.
Alright, let's light these 3 off. Get,
It's over there.
do it, do it.
It's better content. Now. Run!
Behind. Don't go there.
Bucket, we ball.
Run!
Oh, yeah, they are.
He's grabbing another one.
Oh, no, we ain't out.
Tristan, it's just a pack.
Hold on. Sawyer, watch out. I'm going to send them.
Throw one up there.
Send it.
Don't you know that up here in my deck?
Where did it go? Where did he throw it at?
Right there.
Just watch out.
Imagine just toss one up there.
Burned the house down. Tristan.
Pack? Yeah. You guys got it.
Tristan, one right there. Ooh, I want firecrackers.
That's not good.
That's fun. That's fun. Fuse gone. Tristan, we got one with a fuse.
I know. Watch out. He's going to throw some fucking firecrackers. I know he is.
Get down, soldier.
Yeah. I don't believe you. For some reason.
Yo, Tristan.
No, he says he has firecrackers.
Tristan.
I'm not going to need them all. Too late to make them.
Firecrackers that look like the pack like out at your dad's house?
Yeah.
He never had any of those.
I still don't believe him.
Like that.
How do you light this one off? The spiral one. Yeah. Yeah, the rainbow wheel.
That should have a fuse on it.
Yeah, there's a
does.
fuse.
Well, light it.
All right, fuck it. Everyone stand. Hold on. We'll wait till. I'm hitting the fucking trunk of that tree.
I'm jumping down. But
Still miss. Still miss. All right.
Tristan, that hit your crotch.
I don't want to throw it.
Burn the house down.
Huh?
Burn the house down.
Burn the house down.
No.
Upstairs.
Throw that up here in my desk.
Kid.
Run!
Hey, don't throw that up here in the
I ain't throwing it up there. I'm throwing it like 5 feet from it.
Do that one.
No, we're gonna try one more.
That one was closer. That one was closer.
We need to put them in like a can and then go.
Do we do one more?
Do this one.
Or do we do the big one?
Yeah, careful. I keep a.
Did I go out?
What? No.
Cheers.
No.
We're doing this big one. We're doing this big one. I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know which side it's supposed to be up. Well, fuck it.
Run! No. And your vape.
Well, that one's gay. Is it even out? Imagine.
Run! Yeah.
I got one left. I didn't even see where it went.
Yeah, look at it.
Still made it out. Still made it out. What? I was really worried about that one. I'm not gonna lie. Just. Is that where it
Hey, run!
Look at his leg. A little bit. Wait. I got. No.
You got my lighter still, right? No, you don't.
Wait, here. You can't fucking take this, so watch out.
Hey.
Throwing it.
All right, that's all. I swear it is.
Bren, Bren, let me see your leg.
What, this?
Ooh, yeah. Burnt.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, we got everything on camera. So, hey, I think you guys should watch out. Tristan, I would start running. Yeah. I'm watching. Tristan.
That lighter's sticky.
I wonder why.
When I go to my house.
Hey, go sit in a different chair. Because that's ours. Sit that one.
Light it. I don't have a lighter.
My hand.
Did you give it back to Mom or no?
Hey, y'all do need to clean all of them up, though.
Yep.
We'll probably have to leave it in a little bit.
No.
I'm fucking sweating dead.
Brian does it. I'm already warm. Bro.
That one pooped. That one pooped.
Oh, it's going
No,
way
no, no,
close.
no, my face. Ah. Hey, look. Somebody carted late.
No, bro. You didn't like? No, I didn't. Oh my god. It's still like ember.
The truck would have blown up.
Don't throw it. Why would you throw it? Fucking neighbor.
Bren, we had one blow up.
That was weird.
Just feel my leg.
Feel right here.
You want to feel melted hair? Yeah, I told you.
But you got blocked.
Brian, don't mess with it. Alright, I think this is going to be all today.
He picked it up.
You say goodbye to YouTube.
Goodbye.
Tristan.